Good night, guys. My name is Stefien Firsto Rameasa. I am from 12th science class, and tonight I will explain to you how to turn off the teet sound on the Honda Vario when the start button is pressed. Besides that, I will also give you how to restore the teet sound on the Honda Vario when the start button is pressed. Okay, before that, what I meant by the sound of teet is like this. I turn the motorbike first. Like that. Some people may not want the sound, either because it's noisy or embarrassed toward their friend, or so on. Okay, this bike is in the off condition. Okay, how to turn off the beep? We press the bottom button on this remote one time and the top one time. Okay, we press the bottom and top. Now we turn off the bottom button. Okay, and then we push the start button. Now the beep sound, the teet sound is off. Then how to turn on again the teet sound is the same on the how to turn off it. We turn off first, then we press the button, the bottom button one time and the top button one time. We press bottom and top. Okay, and then we turn on it. Okay, and now we press the start button. Now the sound is come back. Okay, thank you guys. That's all that I can explain. I hope you enjoy my video. Thank you.